Hello, I'm Andrew Smith from the Open University Cisco ASC, and this short video is going to cover the creation of a self-paced networking basics course. Firstly, the most important thing, make sure you're in either instructor or possibly staff profile mode. This will help you in what you're about to do, and obviously also make sure that you're in the right academy as well. I'm using Delivering Skills, which has been designed to be used as part of our outreach at the Open University. So I'm going to switch. I'm now in there, and you can see I've already created some courses. Cunningly, I am going to click on the green Create button. It's clever, this. And I'm going to create a self-paced course. Now you will learn self-paced means out of the box. You cannot change a great deal. And instructor-led means out of the box. You can adapt and flex the delivery according to the delivery mode. Self-paced does not mean online, instructor-led does not mean in class. Both can be used. Both are designed for hybrid modalities or face-to-face. You decide as the educator what it is you want to do. However, one will lend itself more than the other, but what I've discovered at the Open University, being a distance learning based university, is that the instructor-led is still very powerful for remote teaching, and that self-paced has got its place in the face-to-face world as well. I'm not going to mark it as a trial class because I'm actually going to probably use this for our outreach, and I'm going to do a little bit of a search on our networking basics course here. You'll notice there is a lot there, but I've just done a quick search. I've clicked on it and I clicked next. Obviously, the language is important because once you've committed to the language, that's it. You can't change it to any other language. You either have to create a new course or delete this course and create a new course. So I'm going to click on next. I'm going to have a start date of today. You can tell obviously what day it is, and you can tell what time it is at this precise moment. I'm going to set this to end. And first, I'm just going to do a little demo. I'm going to end. Oh look, I can only have it for 366 days or a year and 1 day, but I'm actually going to get it to run for exactly a year. That is the limitation for free from Cisco NetAcad. You can run these courses for up to a year, and in most education settings this is perfectly normal, perfectly reasonable, and fits in with the academic year profiles of most of our education partners. If this doesn't work for you, I'm going to say this in the nicest sense, tough. For free, this is what you get, and this is how you work with it. You could set it for invitation only, but that way you've got to actually upload the list of students, and then you've got to give them the invite link, which is a little bit of extra work. You will discover eventually that when I do my videos on class administration, that you can actually do all sorts of clever things with that as well. So I'm now going to start the course, and I'm going to do networking basics for CCST outreach 2025, because I'm actually going to use this course from my own Cisco instructors, and I'm going to replace the image immediately with something that I've created within my instructor engagement. I call it the Four Amigos. It's actually our it's our free Cisco academies that are working together: Glasgow Clyde, UWTSD, the Open University, and obviously a couple of us are also Premier Plus academies as well. So I'm going to put the image in, and then I'm going to start it as part of the CCST teacher instructor outreach. Yeah, so you're actually seeing the course. It's something you're actually going to be enrolling in. You can actually edit all of this, these class details. Marketing content, is it, or student facing information? It's up to you. I call it student facing information. For full support, please go back to the main course or contact us on cisco.sc at open.ac.uk. Let's see, it automatically does that. I'm going to hit enter a couple of times and click next. And the nice thing about this is that you can actually go back and edit this at any time. You can put videos, you can put content, you can put images, you can put tables, and you can actually have it as a full landing page. So if you were actually going to do this as part of a outreach, student teaching, put it on your VLE or whatever, it's quite editable. You can add as many instructors as you like. I'm just going to add my partners in crime, Nitish Murthy and Brian E. Wilson. Obviously, I've now got some other instructors within our project as well. And I'm also going to add Android, our wonderful Gestalt individual. Anybody can be the primary. It's usually the teacher that's leading the module, the course, the content. Of course, I could choose to unprimary myself and make one of my other colleagues the primary. You don't need teaching assistants for this. Teaching assistants is for the certification courses where you're putting non-qualified individuals into the course as a teaching assistant. Then I'm going to click on next. I am not going to enable WebEx because I don't want people messaging me, but you could, if you've got WebEx integration with your NetAcad profile, use the WebEx spaces as a voice video chat supports delivery space as well. And then I'm going to click on next, and there you go, you'll see the landing page, and then I'm just going to publish it and publish. And that's taken me only a handful of minutes. It doesn't take long to create a self-paced instructor course on NetAcad. And if I now go to my classes, you will then see that I've actually got this course here. In the next video, I'm just going to look a little bit at student administration on NetAcad for a self-paced course, but that will only also take 2 or 3 minutes. So thank you very much. I am Andrew Smith from the Open University Cisco ASC, and please do watch other videos from us on how to create and manage courses on NetAcad.